Hi, my name is Celine and I'll be showing you how to make some modular shelves and how to easily build them. It comes with a very natural aesthetic and also a harmonic shape, and even in nature bees are using it to continuously stack spaces. The good thing of these shelves is that you can use as many as you want and your wall won't look crowded, it will still look very harmonic. And you can place whatever object or anything that you want in your shelf, but also it can make a very nice frame if you have some sculpture or work of art, and it will be very good for this object that deserves this highlight.
Get angles around the table. Use a 30-degree angle for the hexagon shape we will be creating, or a 22.5 degree to create an octagon. I'm making these small blocks with a size of 21 centimeters or 8 inches in one side. Then, for the deepness of the shelf, you can give it 15 centimeters or say 6 inches. Maybe more, maybe less. Just hold it in place and don't go too fast when screwing. Be sure to use a dirling tool, which will make it all easier. With the lattice one, you can taper the upper part of the hole so your screw fits more neatly and discreetly. Give some polishing to make flat the part that's going to be visible, and finally a rounded corner using a router will make a big difference, even when looking it from far. Taking in account the color of my wall, I chose a color that I think fits nicely. Looking to keep a classic look, I went for a matte finish varnish, mainly to protect it. All you have to do now is to place it on the wall, just some screw, an L bracket support and 4 wall plugs. Be sure you have a slightly thinner drill bit. Alternatively, you can cover one side with plywood and have a modular style plant pot, way more space efficient than a circular shape. Also, you can cover both sides and make a hole to create a bird nest, or even cover it with glass instead and you can have a terrarium.